guys, welcome back. It has been a hot minute since I've actually have recorded anything, and I mean anything, but I'm back. I guess I'm pretty much going to be that kind of person that's going to be gone for like a long period of time and then kind of resurface from here and there, just to let you know I'm alive. But nah, I'm just kidding. But guys, soon enough, after I get settled into my new home, me and my husband, we're going to be moving in it within the next month, hopefully. We're kind of in the process of getting it redone, like redoing the walls, the floors, like the electricity, lights, everything. I'm talking about we're doing a remodeling, guys, and it is taken us a good bit of time, and things have been pretty rough, not gonna lie, because I mean, with inflation and just things, I mean, the prices of materials are sky highs, you can tell. So it's just, yeah. But anyway, so for today's video, let's just draw some mushrooms, guys. I have been really feeling like, okay, a little update. This video is going to be kind of like a drawing mushrooms with me and a little bit of a TED talk, honestly, because I have so much to share with you guys. Like, okay, I'm trying to think where to start with it. Basically, like, I've lately have been really exploring more of my personal art style and just really realizing there's so much more to my art style than I didn't know, like discovering more about myself and my own art style that I didn't know before, and it's been quite the journey, but I'm getting better at it and I'm getting closer to like diving into like deeply my own art style, and it's starting to come about. And I drew a picture, which sadly I did not record the picture, so I don't have like a recording of it to show you guys. That's like my biggest problem, is drawing something so cool on my iPad but not recording it when I do it, and it's like, oh crap, like, you know what I mean? But I gotta work on that. But anyway, so the picture I had drawn is a picture of a character that came from one of my stories I have actually been working on here lately. So I started this story about a week ago, roughly. I don't have a title for it yet, but it's a story that kind of just came to me one night, and I was like, I think I have an idea for a story, and it seemed really interesting. It kind of at first gave off the very cliche kind of vibe, but I kind of added a little something in there to twist it a little bit, give it a little something extra, make it more interesting for you guys. But I will be publishing it. I'm not sure on what platform yet. I'm still debating on that, but if you guys have any suggestions on where I can publish a ebook or like a something like that, just let me know. I know a lot of people that I talk with are on Wattpad. I've been thinking about publishing it or like having it on there, but I don't know. If you have any suggestions, just leave it in the comments for me. But anyways, about the character I drew. So the character I had drawn that I started discovering more of my art style with drawing people is Alex Strickland. He is a character in one of my stories I'm working on, and he is the principal. So the story, I'm going to briefly tell you guys what the story is kind of about. So it's about these teenage girls. They're best friends, Elaine and Jade. And Elaine's 18 years old. She's very girly, very shy, and she's kind of got like a flirty personality about her, but she's very like shy about it. She's not as open. And then her best friend Jade, she's 19, and she's more of a firecracker. She's very outgoing, very funny, very tomboyish, punk rock, emo, maybe emo, I don't know. Alternative, I don't know. But she's best friends with Elaine, and they're like polar opposites. they're like yin and yang, I guess. But so anyways, they go to school together at the school called Eastward High, and basically, long story short, there's a new principal that was transferred over to Eastward High, and everyone's looking at him like he's kind of like the spotlight, in the spotlight. He's already kind of under the spotlight because he's a new transfer, he's a new principal, so he's already getting attention from everybody. But not only that, he's in a very attractive principal, so it's kind of, yeah, if you kind of can see where this is going. But like, he's a very attractive young principal, and he's basically got like all the eyes of the girls there. And yeah, so, but here's where the drama and stuff comes in at. Basically, Jade's like, hey, we got a new principal, his name is Principal Strickland, he just came, like, transferred over here like since yesterday. He's new, but he's got everyone watching. Like, he's got everyone's heads turning. He's like a vibe. And Elaine's like, ew, gross, that's disgusting, what are you talking about? Like, there ain't no way a principal is a vibe, okay? That's just, ugh. And so she's not really much interested until she meets eye to eye with him. They end up stumbling upon him in the hallways, and Elaine is like, she just kind of stops and gawks at him, and she's like awestruck by him. So that kind of changes her mind about how she felt about his appearance, and then she starts gaining this curiosity about him. So throughout the day, she kind of like, she brushes off her feelings that she had felt when she met him, like eye to eye. Like, she's just like brushing the whole situation under the rug. She's like, ew, I don't even want to be a part of this. I'm trying to focus on my studies. I'm just trying to graduate. I'm literally not far from graduating in a couple of months. I'm just trying to like get this done. And anywho, and Jade kind of picks with her about it. She likes to kind of pick with her and be like, oh, I seen you looking at him, like, you know, just trying to make a joke, you know how friends do. And Elaine's like, ew, that's gross, stop that, like brushing it off. But even though low-key she's like, she's kind of got this thing that she's starting to feel for him, like grows over time, but it doesn't really start to spark into anything until after her and Principal Strickland are introduced later on in the story. And then they start this unique friendship, and then they start having within their friendship this kind of a bond kind of thing going on. But I'm not going to go into it. I'm going to save that for whenever I publish it. So yeah, just a little something, you know, just to let y'all know what I've been working on here lately. But I do have some illustrations if you're interested in seeing some of the characters from the story. I have sketches of them on my DeviantArt, so you can find them there if you're interested. But anyways, I low-key feel like this could be like a webtoon story, if you know what I'm saying. But anyways, that would be actually pretty cool if I could actually start doing stuff on webtoon. That would be really neat. But anyways, so that's a little info about the weird little story thing I've been working on here lately. Mainly just for fun, but anywho. For this illustration I've got for you guys, as you're watching this video, it took me forever to upload this, sadly. I actually drew this picture of these mushrooms weeks back, and just now, as you're watching this video, not long, had edited it and finally uploaded it for you guys. But like, oh my goodness, guys, I'm gonna try to work on being more consistent. I will be, you know, as I've mentioned before, I will be better at being more consistent with things after I'm settled. Right now, things have been so busy, but I will be so glad when I'll be able to spend more time with you guys with doing more of these sorts of things. But I have been thinking about doing, like, bringing other content to my channel besides just art. Like I've been thinking about doing makeup tutorials because I like to do makeup, just a little something, you know, that y'all didn't know about me. Do maybe some vlogs like when I travel or go shopping, or hauls, because I know hauls are, a lot of people like watching hauls, and I enjoy shopping and doing these sort of things. And if y'all are interested in seeing hauls, like of kawaii stuff, anime stuff, and stuff like that. Walmart, oh my gosh, Walmart hauls, Dollar Tree hauls. If you want to see a haul from like Michael's, or like just whenever I'm out and about getting stuff, I've been thinking about doing hauls, vlogs, tutorials on other things besides artwork, like makeup and, you know, other type of things as well. So if you're interested in seeing other types of content on this channel, leave a heart in the comments. Just give me a little heart emoji. I don't care what color the heart is. I just need a heart, you know what I mean? So comment a heart if you're interested in seeing other content. And if you feel up to it, in your comment, tell me what kind of content you'd like to see. Rather it be vlogs, rather it be like hauls or other tutorials. Just let me know. But yeah, so I will be possibly doing some stuff like that here in the future. So just a little bit of an update on that. But I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I know it's been such a long time since I've uploaded anything, and I do apologize for that. I know that could be probably wondering, is she dead? Is she alive? Where's she at? Where's she been? I'm here, you know. But yeah. So I guess that's it. I guess that's it for today's video. If you guys liked it, leave a thumbs up, subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this one. If I upload more, oh my god. Just kidding. And I'll see y'all in my next video. If you are interested in reaching out to me, I have Discord, Twitter, DeviantArt, and Gmail. All of that is on the screen right here. And I guess that's all, guys. Until next time, I hope y'all are having a wonderful day. And until next time, bye, guys.